Hi guys. Hello. You are currently in my room right now because we're doing a room tour. Finally. I've been waiting for quite a bit to do this. I just had some issues with finding frames for some of my playbills, and I was waiting for photos to come in so I could do my little photo collage that you'll see. And I also have been waiting for my mom to come up so that she can give me a poster, but it's the only wall space that is not filled, so I figured I would just film this video now because I've been anxious to show you guys what my room looks like. It's really large. I can just in it. And yeah, it's really great. I love living in this apartment complex. There are a few things that I would definitely change if I could, and thinking about next year as well. But for now, this is where I live. I'm going to just start at my door and jump right into it. This is what the outside of my room looks like. And here it is. This is what my room looks like. Here we are. So I'm going to close the door, and I guess I'll start with the back of my door. So basically, I just have a bunch of posters from my college stuff that I've been in. And then I have this calendar on the back of my door that tells me where I need to go and what I'm doing, and you can kind of see my reflection in it. Over here I have a bunch of hooks that work to hold my keys and my jackets and stuff like that. And then I have my little bag that has my wallet in it. And then over here, got some shoes on the ground. And then this is kind of like my yoga corner, Wiccan corner. My altar is right there. That's kind of what this corner is. So I have this bookshelf that has a lot of my normal books, I guess you could call them. I have all my Harry Potter tapes up there, and point shoes that I painted. And then this is just a cube organizer and a bookshelf, and I have on the bottom shelf just some herbs and stuff, and then the shelf is like theater related things, kind of, but not plays. And then this is like normal books and textbooks. And then in there I just have some like laundry stuff, some extra sheets, and some like random stuff that I don't really have another place for. This little corner has my foam roller and my yoga mat and my acupressure mat. And then I tried to do like a gallery wall over here. I think it was pretty successful. This is like a lot of my decor. I just recently got this piece from Plantiful Soul, Claire, on YouTube. She's a beautiful artist, and I have to frame that. But this is my little pillow, my meditation pillow. And then these are all of my plays that I own, my essential oils. I have some moon bottles on top of that. And then this is my altar. This is a tapestry that used to be in my room last year, so you might recognize it if you have seen my room tour from last year. But this is just my altar. So I have a lot of like witchy stuff here. And I have these candles that are really cool. They like bleed, but they're really cute and very festive. And then I have my crystal ball. I have my lava lamp, some incense, a lot of crystals, some sage. I have a singing bowl that I have, that bad boy and that bad boy. These are beautiful. My bookends, and these are all books relating to like essential oils or crystals or like meditation, yoga, homeopathic medicine, that kind of stuff. And then up here I have all of my candles. So those are really great. I like those, and I just bought these things from like the dollar store because I thought they would look cool. So yeah, those are really great for holding all my candles. And then over there is my record player stuff, and my record player is right there. And I like the way that this little thing like separates this side of my room, because as you guys can see, my room is very, very large, and so I have a lot of like space in the middle that I just really didn't know what to do with. So this is nice to kind of like break it up. I have this little sign that is just like a home blessing. I think I got this from the Spirit Den on Etsy. I have my dresser, and my TV, and then over here is my little bed nook. So I put up some tapestries over here, and there are string lights lining my entire room. This is my bed. It's the same bed that is in was in my room at home. Here it is. And then I have this nightstand. It's cute. Got some plants on there. Got some aloe vera body lotion, you know, the essentials. And then this is my window. This is the only window in my room, but it lets in a lot of light, surprisingly. And then I have these curtains. There we go. Now it's back to normal. Yeah, I made these curtains. I cut them, kind of stuff. I have some plants behind them, some jewelry, some incense stuff, some more plants. And then we get over here. So this is just a bucket with blankets and things. I have this corner with this chair. I found this chair for $70, including the cushion, at a local store, but my parents got one very similar to it, almost exactly the same, where they live now, and so now I have one down there as well. Got my Harry Potter posters over here. Oh yeah. And then yes, that is a cactus blanket. I love cacti. So cactus pillow. I have 2 more cacti pillows over here. There's a cactus there. I just like plants. I also have this ottoman, which matched really well with the chairs, so that's great. Has my script for the play that I am currently in. And this little thingy just holds some knickknacks. I have a little dude right there from Fantastic Beasts. I think his name is Pickett, something like that. I don't remember what his name is, but he's really cute, and he's a little bowtruckle animal plant from Fantastic Beasts, so I like him. Then I have this little poof. It's like a little beanbag poof. It's really nice to sit on, actually. And then you move over here, and this is my desk, and there's this like awkward wall space, but my mom is bringing me a poster of New York, and that is going right there. So it will be filled soon enough. But this is my desk. Now, so these are all the playbills from shows I've seen, and then I have this kind of like mindfulness, like imagine board, things that I want to achieve. Printed them all out, got that cork board. And then this is my desk. I recently got this iMac, and I love it for editing. I have Final Cut Pro finally. I also have my typewriter and a bunch of other lovely goodies. My sewing machine over there. And yeah, so these are the shows that I've seen. Most of them are Broadway. A lot of them are Boston Opera House, because that's where the closest like Broadway tour place was where I lived. So like that one and that one and that one are all from Boston Opera, but the rest of them are from actual Broadway. And then moving over here, my camera goodies and this music stand and flute. I'm trying to teach myself flute again. It is not going very well, so I bought myself this basic book for flute. Hello, it's me. Yay. Yeah, but my friend gave me this flute, and she also gave me this music stand, and so I was very grateful for that. But as you can see behind that, I have this thing. So I'm gonna close, close my closet door. There we go. So this was supposed to, it kind of looks like it, I guess, maybe, but it was supposed to be kind of an abstract piece and of all these photos, and like that's the nose, those are the lips, and it's like a woman is like blowing, like that's her hand blowing all the photos, but didn't work as well as I wanted it to. I might change it. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's kind of covered by my door anyways. So yes, these are a bunch of photos of my friends and I. Just a lot of different experiences from high school and also from college. This is my favorite photo of my friend. It's hidden in there. But then you open up my closet door. Ooh, looks a little bit more normal, which is kind of what I wanted. This is my mirror. Hello. I'm wearing this shirt today that says, "Oh, kale, yeah." I got it from a thrift store. Yeah, so this is my closet. I have my contact bin back there, my heated mattress pad, which I need to install on my bed because our landlord doesn't turn on the heat for a while. It's okay. It's on upstairs, but it's not on downstairs. I don't understand. There's some stuff back there, an extra laundry basket, and I normally keep my laundry rack back there as well. I have shoes up here and some like wintry things, and then you can see in there my closet goes just a little further that way and a little further that way, so it's all organized by color. And then I have some bags here and some hats, and that is it. That is my room. So I'll do one more quick pan around. As you can see, I have this giant middle space that's just really excessive, and I like to dance in it sometimes, but that's about all I use it for. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just, you know, what my room looks like right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like my room, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. I will definitely be doing an apartment tour once my roommates and I feel good about like how their rooms are looking, because they do want to show them, but they are still taking a little bit of time to like figure them out, and then we'll show you the rest of our home, because we have a pretty big, like, we have 2 bathrooms, we have a large living and kitchen and dining area, so yeah, I'd like to show you guys the whole thing. But if you have enjoyed this, you can check out my previous video on this side of the screen and my previous vlog on that side of the screen. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'm so excited to be filming and uploading more. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!